Now then, I'm going to restore this old HBI SS. I've had this for quite a long time now, probably over 10 years. So we're going to put it back to fully original because it's currently got a few upgrade parts on it, one of which is the Savage X chassis, which is off a newer version. We're going to refill the shock absorbers because these are really limp. And then we're also going to put the original engine, which we restored in a previous video, and give it a first start. I'm going to change the head over as well to the original head because that's the original head that was on this engine. So we're going to put it completely back to stock. Just going to do the first start on it after being rebuilt. So in the next video, we're going to take it for a run, tune it up, and speed test it.
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die.